Did you know a 25-year-old heiress walked away from $50 million to prove she could make it on her own? Sarah grew up in a world of private jets and designer everything. Her trust fund meant she never had to worry about money, but it also meant she never had to try. When her family expected her to marry another wealthy heir, something inside her snapped. She realized she had no idea who she really was underneath all that money. So she did the unthinkable. She gave up her inheritance and moved to a tiny apartment with just 2 suitcases. Her family thought she'd lost her mind. Friends said she'd come crawling back within months. Instead, Sarah discovered something amazing. Without the safety net, she found strength she never knew existed. She started a small business, failed twice, then built something incredible on her 3rd try. Today, she's worth more than her original inheritance, but more importantly, she earned every single dollar herself. Sometimes the thing protecting you is actually the thing holding you back.